Hello, dear friends. Today we review this book, Astra Sarthi for Air Force Phase 2. This book is from RW Applications. I have bought it from Flipkart, and today we see that what content did they delivered in this book. First of all, this book price is 150 in offer on 10th November. Mainly 7 points are in this book. You have to see that physical fitness, group discussion, situation, reaction, SRT. And this book I think is very useful for me. If I read it only one time, I will definitely crack physical phase 2 examination. I also cleared the Air Force examination. This part is not necessary for us because we have run in only 5 minutes and this is not necessary. Mainly this one, just like SRT number 1. 20 of the sets of SRT test is in there. 20 tests are in there, and this book is very useful for us. What was the questions in only 30 minutes, and we have to do 35 questions of SRT in Air Force Phase 2 examination. Our first question, mainly we have to look at the example. In a team game, your partner keeps making mistakes and the team is losing. What will you do in a situation like this? Exclude him, explain patiently, scold him, play alone. And this is the very common sense questions, and this answer is explain patiently. Means very fourth, fifth questions you have to think only normally thinking you have to clear SRT question. This is not too hard for us, as the soldiers shared us that SRT examination is too hard. Not, this is not true. Just we take any of the example, just like this one. Means you find out that your friend has broken a small rule that no one else has discovered. What will you do now? You found that your friend has broken a small rule that no one else has discovered. You have to complain about him to senior officer? No. Do not say anything to anyone? No. Explain to your friend in private that breaking rules is wrong and ask him to correct it. Yes, of course this is true, because we have to advise him what to do or what to not to do. After that, we have to see that how many sets are in there. 10 set I think, and after that they have given 100 plus G topics. Just like this global warming, what we have to say. First of all, we have to do our introduction for 25 minutes, just like hello dear friends, my name is Abhishek Padiwal and I am from Rajasthan village. Means basic knowledge we have to do. After that we have to introduction. You have to see that conclusions, simple points, burning of fossil fuels like coal, means basic knowledge you have to clear. Phase 2 Air Force examination, it is very easy, means very easy. You have to definitely buy this book. Other, you don't have to purchase any of the batch from the YouTube, because this book is very useful for me. You have to see that 100 plus GD topics and trending topics, current topics are this given in this book. You have to see that. Means, and they also cover the topic how to speak English, how to improve personality, communication skills. Means all of the contents they delivered in only 150 rupees. Waste management, and in the last they also answered our questions, that just like this one, can we able to speak in Hindi. They said we have to only speak in English, but uh, only speak in English, not to do not to speak in Hindi. Necessary to speak too much. You have to say that speak clearly, not means your every question's answer is in there. Only in 150 rupees you have to this offer. Now this book is price is 250, but on the Flipkart you have to buy it from 200 in the top. Thank you guys. I only post this video for Air Force Choice 2 for your help. If you buy this book, I will definitely say that you have to clear Air Force Phase 2 examination. Okay, guys, soldiers do struggle. A man with born with struggle, and you have to do struggle. If you are gaining pain, means you are gaining success. Thank you.